there. So overhead cam. I'm going to do an exclamation mark Y because I'm just not sure that SpeakerBot has been speaking. Okay, so I heard that. Did you hear the yes affirmative from SpeakerBot? Oh, now see all of these? This is the bot. No, they didn't hear it. This is the the messages generated by SpeakerBot coming in again on this live stream. Okay, now I think what I need is desktop audio. So I'm going to stop sharing that chat room and then go back to share that chat room again, but also share audio, also share tab audio. No, I want to do, oh, there, monitor one, turn on system audio, and then share. Okay, so now let's see. No, SpeakerBot's not connected to OBS. Did you hear it that time? Lawn Dog says, so YouTube creates like secondary camera footage, but takes that camera footage, you did hear, but takes that camera footage and streams it separately. And I suppose you switch between the streams. But will Stormy and Tiger work? No, because those are sources within OBS. So those will not work. Positive of that. And I knew that SpeakerBot was going to work because it comes over system audio. It has to be connected to OBS for OBS to send that out through the stream. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Because as long as OBS is sending system audio, that'll work. I have OBS configured to send SpeakerBot specifically through the stream because I don't allow system audio to go through. So my words were 50-50. Okay, so now that second stream should be running. Where is that link? Here. So I'm going to right click on that, open a new Chrome tab, and then show that that one is running. And if I unmute it, I should hear the same audio. Yes. And in that one, if I'll maximize that. If I come down and put in a SpeakerBot, that SpeakerBot command should work from any of the streams. So did you hear that? Yes, affirmative. Yes, Sullivan Ball. John Williams, yes. And I'll minimize that. And let's see, if I drag this YouTube studio that I'm working with, if I drag that over to monitor one, I think we'll get the picture in picture. Yeah, sure enough. So I can't really show you what I'm doing while I'm doing it, can I? Now, oh, I know something we need to do is how is my speed test? Normally, a single stream through OBS takes 10 megabits per second. So if we're doing the same now, the upload speed should be around 12 to 13 megabits per second. So I'm doing 2 live streams through YouTube Studio right now, and my remaining marginal upload is better than when I'm doing a single stream with OBS. So streaming directly from the YouTube live stream studio requires less upstream bandwidth than OBS does. Yes, Seldom Ball, 2 streams, front and overhead. Right now, we're going to start 2 more. because I can. Just because you can doesn't mean you should, but it does mean I'm going to. Okay, so let's go look at youtube.com/LWTDB. Go to live, and you should see here that I have 2 live streams currently running. I don't, oh no, you won't, because the second one was unlisted. So you won't see that. The only way you can access it is by using that link. Okay. That is only good for today. Tomorrow will be different. What is only good? Use more words. I don't know what you mean. What is only good for today? I don't know what you mean. It's probably related to something that I just said, but you're making me have to think. It would be so much faster if you just use 2 more words. Just 2 more words. Speed test. Speed test is only good for today. Tomorrow will be different. Well, yeah, because I'm not doing a live stream tomorrow. Speed test will be different every time I run it. 466.1, 18.9. Four 18.9 is what the old numbers were. So if I don't talk, I get better numbers. No, I don't think that's the explanation. It's just going to be different. In relation to how OBS Studio works, which may have different priorities, that's Lawn Dog's got a conversation going on there. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if you were to rerun a Alex text test, it will be different than the last one. Oh yeah. Every time you run it, it's going to be different because there's different uploads happening all the time. Those numbers are the best I've ever seen on your live stream. Yes, they are, because I don't have OBS running the stream. They're definitely the best that we've ever seen. If I bring up Task Manager and Performance, and you look at Ethernet, 916. Okay, I'll get to that in a moment. But see, the upload is constantly different. It's not one steady upload or even download stream. The dotted line is my sending, and the solid line is my receiving. So of course, when I do the speed test again, it's luck of the draw as to when it hits. So Ken said 916. Just wondering, asking for Ghetto Friend, is there a limit on how many of these you can do? I think the limit is my upload bandwidth. I suspect. Now, another limit you might ask, well, I only have so many cameras. I only have 4 cameras, but I'm going to start another live stream right now using one of the cameras I'm already using. I can't use my mute button. I don't think my mute button will work. I'm going to try it anyway. Yeah, there is a sound indicator on the YouTube live studio that says that you did hear me clear my throat. So then if I go to another, go live, muse button didn't do nothing. Mute button didn't do nothing. All right, so then here, I'll go start another stream using the same camera, camera 1. I don't need to bother with this, except that I'm going to do this one as a public, so that you will be able to see it on my live panel. All right, let's turn ads on. Let YouTube insert mid-rolls balanced, and no live reactions. Anyone can chat. and public. And it doesn't matter what day or time I say. If I put that 2 days into the future, I can do done, and I can go ahead and start that one now. The scheduling is just so that your channel will show when that stream is going to run. So then I'm pretty sure I can choose that same camera that's already being used on another stream. So cool. Go live. Now, if I click done, I'll go ahead and show you how that works. I click done there, then it shows up on the manage tab. I can come over here and click on it, and I still have time to change the camera if I want to, and then I can go live. So it shows up in this calendar thing at the same, oops, I didn't fix the camera. I didn't fix the camera. I think I can change that now, can't I? If I stop sharing a screen and audio and then do this, does that let me choose a different camera? No, it doesn't. It's showing the back camera. I think I must have done that wrong. So then if I come to, now see here, I am, let's see, I'm not showing you that window. Got to show you screen one. So on the original stream, I'm showing here the YouTube studio for that stream that I just started, and I'm waving at the camera. So it doesn't get the mirror effect because I'm showing a live stream that is different than the live stream that you're actually watching on. And there's the speaker bot command showing up on that stream. So that one does show up on my YouTube channel page. If I go youtube.com/LWTDB and then go to my live panel, we should see two of them live here. And that one that I intended that to be camera one, but it's not. It's the back cam. And then this is the one that I started the show with today. So now if I click the three dots here and share and copy, now that gives me a link to the back camera. I come to the chat for the show that started this morning, and I'll call this back camera because I don't think I can change. I didn't see how I could change the camera now. So I'm going to leave that one as back camera, and I want to go change the name of it. Can I do that now? I'd have to get into the YouTube studio for that one. Oh, see that read chat, please, that just came through. It was not on the stream that I started this morning. It's on one of the others. John Williams says yes. Ken Stout says, hello, John. He wants me to read that? Really? Troll. You want me to read hello, John. Now, here's a problem. The picture-in-picture in the bottom right corner, I don't know how to turn that off. Oh, there's an edit. Oh, okay. That's edit settings for the stream that I started this morning. That's not edit settings for the back cam. This is it. Let me move these studios. See, here these are these studios. Move this studio. Okay, so here I can go to edit for that stream and change the name of that one to back camera. So many of you must be shaking your heads. Why does he care about this? Why is he even interested? I think there's a reason, but I don't know that I can articulate it yet. That means express it verbally. For those of you who don't know what articulate means in that context. So where did that no way come from? It's not from there. Did it come from this one? Oh, that's the overhead. Oh, did I name this one properly? Overhead cam. Now, can I change this one to public? Public. Done. Save. So now that one should show up on my page. If I can figure out how to get back there, go view your channel. and then go to live. So now there should be 3 live streams showing here. Maybe I need to refresh this page. Are there 3 now? No. Okay, read chat, please. That was a hello, John. I am showing that, but you can't see the bottom of that chat because it's hidden. There was a read chat, please. Where was that one from? That one must be from one that I'm not, because I have 3 running right now, right? You just don't know how much fun I'm having right now. If I go to the studio here, and then that was, which one of these am I not seeing right now? This one is overhead. This one is back. This one is the one that I started this morning, but I have its studio over on monitor 2. Oh, read chat 1225. 925 for me. No, the hello, John did not come over YouTube. It was a test. No, it's not. No, it's not going to. When you do !C, all that says, all that verbalizes is read chat, please. It is not an !D. I have !D turned off because of you trolls. Yeah, I don't know how quickly I can get to a camera 1. Oh, that's good. That's it. I have !D turned off. So no, it won't read what you're saying after the C. There's Ken. I'm about to block Ken Stout. I'm about to deny him SpeakerBot capability because !C is supposed to be instruction to me to read chat. It's not for you people to talk to each other. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. It's not. Did he say it's snot? Oh, the show's getting gross. Ken Stout says you're testing my speaker bot. !Y or N be another way of doing that. John's laughing at Ken Stout for getting Doug's goat. Okay, time to start another stream. What other camera do I have? I have that one. It's a Baby Beast camera. How would I say that? Profile. We'll call it profile cam. Prof cam. Professor cam. Doug's having more fun than a barrel of monkeys. You are a barrel of monkeys out there. Okay, am I showing this? Nope, I got to show you my work on this. So I got to go back and broadcast the entire screen, and I'll turn on the system audio. If I don't turn on the system audio while I'm for the screen that I'm broadcasting, then you won't hear SpeakerBot. So go to webcam. This time I'm wanting to do profile cam. Don't need any of that stuff. Keep your thoughts to yourself. LOL. Zavi Minor, we've been punished enough. Give it back. !D. You want me to I might give that back just for today. Let's get this one started, then I'll go do that. Oh, it's 9:30 already. How time flies when Doug's having fun. So many of you are this just drug on forever, didn't it? Now he's talking about drugs. Who is this person? Who let him out of his cage? Anyone? Turn off live reactions. Public. Date and time does not matter. That's only for notifying people. Whatever date and time you put, YouTube will send a notification half hour before that time. YouTube doesn't know if you're actually going to do that. Now what I'm looking for, I think it's this one. Yeah, profile camera, right? Yeah, that's it. It's actually a camera that's on the monitor for Baby Beast. Uses the same microphone. All of these streams are using the same microphone. Oh, that camera's all messed up. Get it a little more balanced. Point it a little better. Sullen Ball has closed the secondary video stream. Reception problems. Yeah. So for those of you who are following all of these streams, you might find more buffering issues occurring. Now, see, I can change my camera that I'm broadcasting just by clicking to a different one of these studios, because all these studios use a different camera. That's the profile. So that's the face, and I don't have my primary front facing camera because that one is my primary stream that I started this morning. It is showing my monitor 1. It's no longer showing my cam 1. So I don't have a tab up here that I can click on to show my cam 1. Now that last read chat, please. That was from, yeah. Okay, so I got to click through these to see which is which. And that was a Ken Stout. So best way to use the read chat, please, is !C and then type after that what you want to say to me. Now, I just realized that you do see my picture in picture. As I click through these different camera views, you still have my picture in picture in the bottom right corner of my camera 1. I was about to start another stream to use to be controlling that camera. So I'm seeing right now 4 streams running. Let's do a speed test. Let's see how the speed test is going. Last run was 538 down, 20.6 up. Is it actually resending the camera data for cam 1? And yeah, that has dropped down. Yeah, John Williams, !T is not going to work because that requires OBS. Now I'm about to launch OBS. We're going on. We're doing some overtime. We're doing more overtime because I want to try launching OBS and see what I can do. John Williams, your CPU cooler is doing a warning signal by flashing. No, it's not. My fans aren't even straining. I think you're trolling me with that comment. There's a chat from Ken. I tried that and you got upset. So I will, from now on, identify the stream I am saying read chat please from. I don't think you have any way of identifying it. There's no way for you to tell me which stream you're saying that on. Now, my broadcast right now has my picture in picture covering Ken's chat message that I just read. And the only way that I could bring that up above my picture in picture is to do this. So there you can see Ken's chat message. Now that read chat please came from where? This one. Sure, I do this from chat live stream called back camera, but I don't get to see that, Ken, until I find your message. I don't know that until I find your message. So I actually have to go to that stream before I can see where you're telling me which one you did that from. That's pointless. I know that's the back cam when I'm seeing your message. Now he's doing another one. I want to get on to trying to launch. Oh, geez, you trolls. You trolls. This is from profile. Yes, I see, Ken. You've got that figured out. Let it go. Oh, now that I've got this set so the medium view just gets above my picture in picture, that's the way I can show it to you. That was 935, and I can go over here and see that was 934. Then I can go here, and that one doesn't have a message. That's the overhead cam. But I can see the chat for the stream that I started this morning. There's a 935 where Ken says, so I have that solved for you. Well, I can show that over here. It's not trolls. It's dealing with children. No self-control. Yeah, but I kind of handed it to them, didn't I? Didn't I just dangle it in front of their eyes? Yeah. Do you have to have a camera, or can you just stream your desktop or a specific app window? Well, we can test that. We can test that. The way for me to test that on the first stream that I started, Jim agrees that I tempted them. On the first stream that I started, I'm going to stop sharing monitor 1. That means I can't bounce back and forth between them. Okay, but I know how to get back to that pretty quickly. I can't do it with my Stream Deck buttons. Although I think I can configure my Stream Deck buttons to interact with Live Studio. Not certain about that. I don't think I'm going to try it, because my reason for wanting to see what I can do with this is to get more familiar with this tool. When you get really familiar with your tools, then you can come up with uses for them, or ab uses for them. Abby normal, anybody? I really enjoy figuring ways to use tools that they weren't intended or designed to use. So what I can do here is I'm going to choose, oh, you know what? Can I, when I start, no, I don't see a way to do this after I've started the stream. I don't see a way to choose my capture card after I've started the stream. How about if I edit? No, that doesn't let me change camera. So I have to start another stream. Yeah. Oh, this is so dangerous. All right, so I'm going to share. I'm going to again give you my monitor 1. And I'm going to go start another stream. Now, I don't have to go to Live Windows Training. I can go to any YouTube and get this camera with the plus sign and go live. So this brings me up a new instance of the Live Studio. I have 4 live streams going now. I'm going to go to webcam and choose, put in the title, Baby Beast. Capture. This is a capture. This is not broadcasting from Baby Beast. It's a capture. I don't know why I'm deleting these. I think it inherits those from an old video. That would be a reason to do that. So then if I go next, monetization on YouTube mid-rolls. Let's go aggressive on that one. See if that makes any difference that some of you can report on. Live reactions off. Anyone can chat. Kerry would have a members today, so I can't do any redirects for him anyway. This is going to be public. Ken Stout has 4 running. This will be number 5. I think he means 4 of my streams running that he can click between them. Now here, where I choose the camera, I can choose capture device. I believe Live Gamer Duo is my Baby Beast. I don't think I have it on 1. Well, maybe I'm wrong about that. Let's see. There it is. There's Baby Beast in the background. I haven't seen any way to choose cameras or capture devices after the stream is running. So that's not good. We're using the same microphone. Go live. Now, Baby Beast, you're seeing the screen of Baby Beast now, which is showing one of my one of my streams, and it's trying to go live. It's working on it. It's trying. It's seriously trying. StudioYouTube.com is sharing your screen. And there's a picture-in-picture going on because Baby Beast is showing my current stream. If I put Baby Beast somewhere else, then you won't get that mirroring. Now, if I go over here to my channel, go to live, it should show there's 4. This one right here, Baby Beast Capture, is not showing as live yet. Yeah, I think it's struggling. I think it's having a hard time. And my picture-in-picture I'm seeing is jittery. Now let's go see what speed test is doing. I might need to shut down 1 or 2 of those other streams to try to accomplish this. Baby Beast does not have a webcam. So I'm going to see if I can start a live stream from Baby Beast. I think it's maybe the limit for, look at that, my upload is still pretty good. I'm still showing 17, 18 megabits per second upload available. All right, so I'm going to shut down. Let's see, there's something else I want to test. Oh, I haven't even launched OBS yet. I want to see how functional OBS is. Yeah, see, this one's just not working. So let's go shut down. Don't want to shut down the main one that I started. We'll shut this one down. There's no in-stream option here. That's curious. There doesn't have an in-stream button. Why? Okay, I guess this is going to be one of those 24-hour streams. If I can't end the stream, then it just has to go on, doesn't it? I want to shut down other streams to try to get this one to go. Seldom Ball is there. Welcome to Doug's Newest, he says. But that stream isn't actually running yet. So there I clicked on that. So that's the Baby Beast Capture. There I got Live Mouse over there now. That's a Baby Beast Capture. And even that struggles. Is it because I'm trying to take content from my capture card? Is that what my computer's having trouble with? So to answer that, I'll come down here to the taskbar for Big Beast. Got to get the mouse back from Baby Beast over to Big Beast. See, there's my mouse at the taskbar at the bottom. That taskbar at the bottom is Big Beast taskbar. This taskbar that's up a little bit is Baby Beast taskbar. And I think you are seeing me move the mouse around. Are you? Let's see, I'm checking now by changing Baby Beast to show the current stream. Yeah. But when I move my mouse up, yeah, you can see that. That does come over on the broadcast. So I want to come down to the taskbar, Task Manager, and see how is Big Beast struggling right now. CPU at 41%, memory 19%, disk activity is minimal, zeros, Ethernet showing sending under 10 megabits per second, receiving under 2 megabits per second. That's a cakewalk. I'm not seeing anything struggling here at all. The GPU, 31%. I don't see any of that as struggling. Maybe it's YouTube that's struggling because its ingest servers probably throttles how much I can send to them on my channel. I'm thinking that's it. Dobie Tech says you could probably do the stop sharing button at the bottom. Yes, I can do that. But what happens when I click the sharing button again, it does not give me the cameras. All it gives me to choose from is the monitors, the applications that are open, the browser tabs that are open. I can choose any of those. I can choose my capture card. It does not let me choose a different webcam. This video, all of these live streams were started from this webcam. And it seems to me that once you choose a particular webcam, you're starting from the webcam method of doing a live stream that locks you in to that webcam. And when I'm choosing the webcam, I do get the choice of my capture cards. Now, if I go over, let's see, how can I do this? Okay, I'm going to abort this stream that's just not starting, and then go try to shut down 2 of the other streams. So here's the one that's trying to start. If I just close that tab, I don't know if that stops it. Stop sharing. Okay, let's try that stop sharing. No, that just stops sharing of monitor 1. That stops sharing on the original stream that I started this morning. That is not a control for this stream that's trying to start. So how about if I just close that? Changes you made may not be saved. Fine. And then let's come to this profile camera. Now this stop sharing here is not going to affect this profile stream. That's just going to stop sharing monitor 1 on the original stream that I started this morning. And the stuttering seems to be gone. Yeah, because I aborted that stream that wasn't working. So I want to shut down this stream. I'd like to shut it down gracefully. Oh, let's go to manage. That should do it. If I go to manage, will it go to manage? Won't go to manage. So how about if I go, oh, here I'm on studio. Here's managing. So if I go here to profile, this is the end stream. This is where end stream is at. Okay, so for all of you on the profile camera, goodbye. I can't do the Porky Pig because that's an OBS thing, and I haven't launched OBS yet. This is going to be a really overtime stream. Doug's having too much fun. Okay, here we go. Ending that stream. That one has 4 concurrent viewers. Do I need to see any of that chat? No. Ending that stream. Your stream will stop immediately. Wow, this is a way to show you the entire experience of running a live stream. Not with OBS, though. You'd have to have a second instance of OBS to show your OBS interactions. And that would work. Dismiss that. So that's gone. And then profile cam is no longer on here. Baby Beast is still available for me to start because I essentially aborted it. If I go into that now, yeah, see it's loading what I can work with. But I think I want to shut down another element. I don't know what was causing the problem. See, this is taking a long time to load what resources I have to work with. What if I use a back button? Where does that take me to? Back again, back again. No, still doesn't let me get back to manage. How about here? Go to my channel and then go to the plus sign, go live. That'll get me back into the live studio. And there's back camera. So I'm going to shut that one down. That one shows there's 1 viewer. So there's nobody there to say goodbye to, but I'll say goodbye. Goodbye. It's probably me. I don't know if I ever gave you a link for that one, but it was clickable from my studio because it was public. Stop immediately. End. Ken Stout's got me in red. Click go live on Baby Beast Capture. Since it's showing to click live, you've created it via YouTube. You cannot start it from OBS unless you clicked auto start. Yeah, just wasn't ready to do that. I think I understand you and agree with it. Let's see. But I actually can't click go live until I choose a camera, I think. All right, but let's test that. I thought I had to choose a camera first. Because I haven't even chosen Baby Beast. I haven't even chosen the capture device. This is going live with nothing to choose. Yeah, and Ken says background just ended. Yeah, I said that I was ending that one. See, this is not doing anything. Yeah, you weren't. I guess you weren't listening to me at the time. I said I was stopping the stream for the back camera. This one is still pending, and it's not going. It's not working. This stop sharing is the stop sharing monitor 1 on the original stream from this morning. So this is not working. So then I'm going to go back to my channel so I can go back into studio because I didn't find any way to bail out of that attempt. And I'm going to delete this one. Delete forever, forever, forever and ever. No, that was not a cultural reference. I just made up that voice. Do I want to do this one too? Do I want to end that one as well? That's the overhead cam. Yeah, I'm going to end that one too. That's you up there. Goodbye. Have a good day.